Hi, in this video we will learn how we can add size chart option to a product without using any sort of app or without using any sort of code. So you need to follow my instructions, and now you can see here is our size chart. Basically this option provides ease for your customers that it will definitely boost your sales because this option will provide confidence to your customers that he or she may proceed further to the checkout because everything is mentioned here inside this size chart option. So without wasting your time, let's dive into it. And first of all, you need to go inside the Shopify dashboard. So this is our Shopify dashboard, and here you can see here we have this published theme. Now we need to click the customize button, and after hitting the customize button, it will take a second and it will load the theme customizer. And here you will need to first of all go inside products because we are going to add the size chart. So we have choose the template for the, and here I am going to select a product, a t-shirt product, just for the preview. So you need to also skip this step if you want. So now you can see here is our product template, and here inside the left sidebar you have these options inside product information drop down. So you need to click the add block, and inside that block you need to click the collapsible row. After hitting that, you will need to find this type of interface. Here you can add or remove the heading. So I am going to add a heading of size chart, and here I am going to select an icon for this. In this case I am going to select a ruler, and below we have two options. One, we have the content. We can add any of the content here and it will just display here inside this drop down. And other option is to select a page. So first of all, we are let me show you. So here you can see the same text get appear inside this drop down. If we remove that, and now we can go with select page option. For now you can click the save button and go back to the dashboard, and here inside online store drop down you will find an option of pages, and here you will need to click add page and just create a page of size chart. So here inside you need to click here. You can easily add any of the table, or even you can add any of the heading, whatever you want you can add it here. For now I am going to add a table. I have just copied that from backend, and I have just pasted that table in here inside this content box. So and apart from that table you can also have the option you can add bullet points and rest of the things. For now I am going to leave it as it and hit the save button. Now in the backend we have this size chart page. You can preview that page from here. Here you can see here is our size chart page. Now our page is created. Now get back to this product template and again click the size chart block, and this time we are going to select a page. After hitting the select page you will find a page of size chart. Now you can easily able to click the size chart. Now this page is integrated with this option. Now you can see the size chart gets enabled. You can even adjust the sizing of this uh, table from here, and you can even remove any of the column and any of the row from here, and it will reflect all the changes here. Now this is all about a size chart. But remember one thing, that this size chart, I mean the page which we have created in the backend, will remain the same for all of the products which uh, are present here inside this template. So for now, as we have a lot of products and we don't want this size chart be a common for all of the products. So for that one, we need to create a meta field. So for that, you need to click the settings, and then you need to click custom data, and after that you will need to click the products. As we are going to create a meta field here inside the products, so in this case we have selected product meta field, and here inside the meta field definition, we need to give it a name. In this case, I am going to give a name of size chart. So here I have given the name of size chart. Now we are going to add a type for this meta field. So in this case, we are going to click the page and hit the save button. Now go back inside the products, and here you can see here we have a lot of products. Search for the shirt product, and here inside this product, at the end you will find a meta field of size chart. Here you will need to select, I mean link a page, and here inside the list you can see here we have the size chart. I have just selected it and hit the save button. And on this window, I mean on product template, we are going to remove the page, and this time we are click the dynamic source, and here you can see here we have the meta field of size chart, so we are going to select that. So for now you can see uh, that page is linked with this product. If I remove this product from preview and just show you that that will be not present to other products, so you can see here while I am clicking over the drop down, you don't see any sort of size chart content for this product. You can only see size chart only for this product because we have just linked that page with this page only.